I've been thinking about this. I'm predicting in span of 3 years.
SB19 Josh makes a prediction and a concert promise on his quick live after their rehearsal. Here's Josh giving us a few moments of his time after the rehearsal of the group and the whole team.
Kaya mo may saging, no? Si Justin, no? Napakita ka, Justin. Dali, oh. Di maganda. Alam niyo na guys, I haven't been able to honestly keep up with social media. Kasi I've been really focusing on making stuff. Well, yun yung personality ko eh. Nasa behind the scenes, ganun. Ano talaga. Medyo mas I enjoy doing work that requires a lot of thinking.
Sobrang busy naman.
At si Stel, oh. Pakalaki.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Ba't sobrang busy ka?
Ito, nag-live lang.
Punta ka na doon. Yan na yan. Kayo pinibisi niyo si Josh
Si Stel tuloy, nagsaselos na eh.
Kain na tayo.
Kain na. Gusto ko yan. Kaya naman, busog na busog ka talaga dyan.
Dinner break na. Kain na tayo.
Kakainin mo na ba?
Kakain na tayo. Nandun na yung pagkain.
Yan.
Pisa mo dyan
Si Junard. Bang klase si Stel ngayon, no? Kita nyo. Sobrang discipline. Araw-araw nagbubuhat yan. Ako araw-araw ako nagbubuhat pero hindi kasing dahil isang buwan na akong medyo 3 hours, 2 hours lang tulog. Umabot naman na 4 hours minsan. Umabot naman ng mga ganon. Pero ini-work ako ng project that's actually improving the life. Change ka ba na hair color? Ano nga bang bagay? Psst. Ken, naka-live ako. Okay lang. Hindi yung okay lang yan. Yung
Baka sino ba ako? Nakalimutan ang pangalan ko. Hindi ako si Ari.
You guys excited for the concert? Bakit ganito? Inakala nagbabago. Kamaramba nito ay ang sarili ko'y maglago. Basta masasabi ko lang, it's gonna be all worth it. And I'm gonna be waiting for y'all. Kasi pakita ko sa inyo ang tunay na 100%. Just kidding. Ano lang yun sa akin? Mga pa lang yun. Mga 70 pa lang. Just nanonood ka ba ko Chill Big Bang? I wanna watch ng paano nila. Baka naman, boss. Medyo rin eh. for the Coachella of Bini. Oo naman. That's something na dapat support natin. And also, diba, told you guys, gusto ko lang talagang i-empower pa yung meron tayo sa Philippines. And just wanna, siguro I've been thinking about this. I'm predicting in span of 3 years everything will change. And soon, actually it's an open parang sa akin discussion na really syempre define P-pop, diba? Kasi sometimes yung misconception pag P-pop groups tsaka mga sing and dance, but honestly whatever you do, if you're doing popular music, if you're doing syempre what you love, especially for our culture and syempre our arts, diba? It's basically akala nyo it's parang kasi minsan diba parang pag solo or na whether it's hip-hop or other or indie or a band or whatnot. Of course, I'm not gonna dictate it, but I want people to think about it. Na, kung ano, diba? How would you define yourself as if you're not people? But yes, soon, yun, yung mga dreams ko lang din na magkaroon ng mga parang we are being considered for being known all over the world, and ayun na yun doon na mag-start. I just need to syempre sabi nga sa visa, diba, para kahit anong gawin mo wala pa rin dating, pero our own should just consider it, diba? Think about it. Thank you all. Sana mapunta kayo sa concert, and I'll give you guys the best experience. Josh, do you play Warzone? Sabi? Yeah, I used to play Warzone before. I used to play Warzone